Welcome to Chaos Frogs. Today I'm ripping open some Space Marine Heroes Death Guard boxes. There should not be really that many surprises in here, but because there's 7 different miniatures and it's 8 boxes, so I think one of them is in there twice. So let's just open it up and see how it's going. And we have this nice front sheet here, who cares? Let's be quick about this. I have my trusty scalpel here. Okay, this guy I think is the Flamer guy. Morslug. I think I have a little bit of a glare here. Okay, Morslug, Flamer guy. I've already painted all of them except the Malignant Plaguecaster. Okay, I will just put everything over here. Don't really need the boxes. Next one. Let's see if I'm correct about this, that everyone is in there at least once and then one is in there twice. Scaboth, the flail guy. Yeah, I really like the sculpts of these. This is the standard bearer guy, 40k's. Pretty good. The sculpts are pretty good Death Guard wise. They are not as overburdened with details as they tend to do sometimes with those sprouting spikes on the shoulders or something like that. Sometimes I cut them off to declutter them a little bit and focus more on the face and on the weapon. And this guy is Gurk the Foul. And I think this one is in the twice. We will see. I've never opened a box of these. And I had them lying around for almost 2 years now, I think. But if you still want them, they are the Death Guard kill team that has been released a few months ago, but the Death Guard kill team is not on the Games Workshop site anymore, so it's a little bit harder to get, but maybe it's coming back in a few months. This is the one I'm looking for. What is its name? Pastus the Vile. This is the one I have not done yet, and the cool thing about these guys is that every single one has 2 head options. One helmeted, or this one has 2 hooded options, but one of them is veiled, and one of them you can see the face. Every single one of them has 2 head options, but I think one head is helmeted and one head is not helmeted, so that's pretty cool. So my plans for these are that I will rip open the boxes and then see what I can convert out of them. Because I have this, the Malignant Plaguecaster one. I will build him as he is, probably without the face visible, the veiled face. But I will convert the other one up. So Coleros. And this one, yeah. So okay. And then we have the next one. Plague Champion Gandrus. Okay. But with the normal guys, I will convert all of them up because I have built and painted them as they are already. So it's a good opportunity for me to convert them all up. That's the cool thing about these. It's kind of blind buy, but if you buy the whole box, it's not really. You know exactly what you get, unless they did something wrong. Yeah, and this is Gurk the Foul, so we will have another one of these. Yeah, as I said, bolt the guy 2 times. Let's do it again. I mean, I won't really pick up any surprises, to be honest. That's a nice thing to fake my background here, to put the boxes back in and make it look like they are still folded, but they are not in fact. Set dressing, as people call it. This is this one again. Flamer guy. But the set itself is pretty cool, to be honest. I really like it. You have those cards that tell you which one is which. Don't really have another function apart from looking cool. Yeah, this one is the banner guy again. What is his name? Coloticus. Coloticus. The names. Yeah, the names. I don't think those are the original names they had. Gangrous. They all sound like some kind of disease or something. So, Pastus the Vile is probably an artist's name, an alias. Okay, which one is this? The bolter guy. I will end up with the bolter guy 4 times, so I have to do some creative conversions with this guy. But I thought it's just a fun little unboxing experience, and you can just hang out a bit and have a chat. And I've still been busy with my Death Guard. I've painted and finished a single Death Guard Plague Marine every single day, even since my last video. But I need some more recruits to keep this streak going for a while, and then I need to put some more work in to make them battle ready, or like finish them up almost. Okay, this one is the guy with the grenade again. But it's just, I just want a big infantry horde of Plague Marines, so I have to get new ones of them, build them and paint them up. This one is the Plaguecaster again. With this one I'm not really sure what I will do with a conversion. I really like the little fly. The little fly he has. It's probably gonna be a Plaguecaster or a Tallyman if I convert him up, because he has these flowing ribbons here. Maybe I'll cut the ribbons off and make something else out of him. The hand I could use for something else. I don't know. Interesting. I'll have to be inspired and see what I'm doing. Okay. The 4th Walter guy. Yeah, with these, maybe I do a video with these. 4 times the same sculpt and then make something completely different out of them. That would be a good idea, maybe. And then the Nurgling hanging on that horn on the side is really awesome. I love it so much. And the last box. We are at 11 minutes now. That sounds about right. This is the champion again, yeah. As I said, not really many surprises here. To be honest, no surprises at all. But yeah, that was the video for today. I will convert some up in the future, and I'll see you next time. And if you want to appease the algorithm god, you can click on this video or tap it with your finger or whatever appendage you have, and click the frog to subscribe, or press the frog, or fondle the frog. I don't know. See ya. Bye.